What if ChatGPT didn't just answer your questions, but actually did your work for you? Well, that future just arrived. OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Agent, and this isn't your typical AI update. This is the moment AI went from talking to doing, from answering questions to actually executing tasks. Let's break down what this means for the future of work. ChatGPT Agent isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete paradigm shift. Think of it as ChatGPT with its own virtual computer. It can browse websites, click buttons, fill out forms, create presentations, and even connect to your Gmail and Google Drive. The agent combines OpenAI's previous tools, Operator for web browsing and Deep Research for analysis, into one unified system that can think, plan, and execute complex multi-step tasks. Here's the magic. ChatGPT Agent operates in its own virtual computer environment. It has access to multiple tools, a visual browser for clicking around websites, a text browser for processing large amounts of information, a terminal for running code, and API connections to services like Google Drive and GitHub. You can literally watch it think and work. It shows you its chain of thought as it decides what to do next. Need a presentation on your competitor's latest earnings? Just ask. The agent will research the company, analyze their financial data, and create an editable PowerPoint presentation, all while you grab coffee. Let's talk about what this thing can actually do. For personal use, it can plan your entire vacation, book flights, make restaurant reservations, even order groceries while checking your calendar to avoid conflicts. For business, it can analyze Excel spreadsheets, create financial reports, generate marketing presentations, and automate repetitive tasks like filling out forms or updating databases. And here's where it gets interesting. It can handle complex workflows. Ask it to plan a dinner party for 8 people, check everyone's dietary restrictions from your email, book a restaurant that accommodates them, and send calendar invites. And it'll do all of that autonomously. The numbers don't lie. ChatGPT Agent scored 41.6% on humanities' last exam. That's roughly double what previous models achieved. This benchmark tests knowledge across over 100 different subjects, from advanced mathematics to specialized domains. It's not just about test scores, though. In real-world evaluations, it outperformed previous models in tasks requiring complex reasoning, multi-step problem-solving, and autonomous task execution. Now, with great power comes great responsibility. OpenAI has implemented what they call their most comprehensive safety stack to date. The agent asks for your permission before making purchases, sending emails, or accessing sensitive information. There's also watch mode. When the agent is working on sensitive websites like banking or financial platforms, it requires you to actively supervise. This launch puts OpenAI ahead in the AI agent race. While Google has Gemini's integrations and Microsoft has Copilot, ChatGPT Agent is the first mainstream AI that can actually execute complex tasks across multiple websites and applications. The key difference? Most AI assistants are still glorified search engines. ChatGPT Agent is the first that can actually do things, not just tell you how to do them. This isn't just about convenience, it's about fundamentally changing how we work. We're looking at a future where AI agents become digital employees, handling routine tasks while humans focus on creative and strategic work. Think about it. No more manually copying data between systems, no more repetitive form filling, no more spending hours on research that an AI can do in minutes. The productivity gains could be massive. But this also raises questions. As AI agents become more capable, which jobs become obsolete? How do we ensure these systems are secure and trustworthy? We're entering uncharted territory. ChatGPT Agent represents the biggest leap in AI capabilities since ChatGPT's original launch. We're witnessing the birth of truly autonomous AI assistants that can think, plan, and execute complex tasks. The technology is still early and has limitations, but the potential is enormous. This is just the beginning of the AI agent revolution. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tech breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching.